Jesse, what we got?
So we got the new it's phone case. It's the case that protects it from drops and it protects it from dust and everything. It's waterproof as well.
Yeah, so
and it covers up the ports right here.
Yeah, we're going to the beach tomorrow.
Yeah.
And before I had my S20, right?
And it cracked.
And I cracked the screen
and the
also,
charging port.
Yeah, the charging port stopped working.
Both.
Yeah, when I went to the beach. So I was like, you know what? Let me get a better case. It was on just a regular slim case. And now I want something a little bit better. Also with sand and everything, it might cause a problem. So this is the case I've been using, but
that opens up and down.
It opens up, but this is the second case, and now it's still getting loose.
Yeah.
And I've dropped it, and I've been lucky. I haven't really ruined it, but I'm gonna do a little thicker case. I really don't like thick cases, but because of the situation, I want to make sure I don't really break it. I do have insurance, but I still don't want to go through a hassle.
And see, clear, make sure it's clear. And after that, I'm gonna put it on. So I'm gonna carefully put the S pin right here and carefully, there we go. Got that on.
What are those little round things? Are they giving covers? Wait. I saw,
These are for the fingerprint scanner thing. It's for the fingerprint thing. Yep.
It's got it dirty.
The lens is not dirty. Now I can carefully put it in.
I think you're supposed to pop it in and then take it off.
Snap it. And camera. Yep, good. Perfect.
So how do you access the pen? Flip it around, show people.
So to access the pen, you have to put it.
Is it hard?
That's easy. So now you have to push it in with your nail and then take it out. Like this.
Okay, and you're charging?
And to put it back in, just take it and simply put it back in.
How about the charging port?
And close it back in all the way to make sure. So the charging port right here, I'm gonna carefully open it up. So you just open it up and this is the charging port right here.
Okay.
So make sure these are closed fully so it can be watertight. There's no fingerprints in the phone. Now, carefully
pick up my thing.
Good.
Oh, it actually picks it up.
Good. This is what it's for.
Good. I didn't even put the sensitive.
Good.
Right, Justin?
Yeah, good. It picked it up. Good. It picks it up right now. Touchscreen works everything.
Yeah, it's working. It's a lot bigger though.
Than this.
Well, I shouldn't say a lot bigger, but it is.
It's a little thicker, a little bit.
A little thicker. A lot thicker.
Yeah. Good. Volumes, buttons are good, and power.
A little slippery. The buttons feel a little slippery, but they work.
Yeah. And
those are covered.
And those are covered already.
But they get shiny. Oh, okay. Oh, that gets really shiny.
No fingerprints inside.
None?
Yeah,
it's
no.
Outside, huh?
It's just the outside. No fingers on the camera either. It's clear. The warranty. So that's the picture right there that I just took. It's not a bad picture. My only concern is that if I'm using the flash, does the lens pick up? As you can see here, there is a ton of glare in the sun. I cannot see the screen at all in this angle. If I was in the shade, it's no problem, but right here with the direct sun, forget about it. It's impossible to see anything. Today at the beach though, it was fine. The sun came out and it took a picture fine with the cover. That's a selfie. Everything was fine. So glare wise on taking the picture is not that bad. However, if the case gets dirty, the picture comes out fuzzy. So that's expected because you're putting a piece of plastic over the lens. Totally expected. So in my opinion, if you're looking to take pictures with this, videos, footage like that, this wouldn't be a good case to use. However, if you need something as an outing, you want durability, you want some waterproofness, you want, to protect your phone, this is going to be good for that. So I would use this for trips if you're going to do certain things. If you're expecting footage again, this wouldn't be the case for that. Here's a link if you're interested in the product. Thanks for watching and thanks for your support.
Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to like our videos and make sure to tap the bell icon for future videos. And peace out.
Peace out. Thanks, Jesse.